Everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to do the video of these two-tone die cuts that I shared earlier on how to create these cards. It's partial embossing, so I'm just going to share with you the technique. You can do this with any die cut that you wish. It's very easy and simple. I'll show various techniques. What you will need is some embossing ink. I use Versamark. Some embossing powder. So I have some various embossing powders. I'm going to use some glitter. So here is this glitter tinsel type embossing powder. I get it from Michael's. And you'll need some washi tape. You'll need 2 sheets of scrap paper, one for your embossing ink because it gets real sticky, and then once you do the inking process you'll need to switch papers because when you sprinkle the embossing powder it'll stick to the ink, so you don't want to waste anything. So the first one that I'm going to show is the black Hugs die, and if you need to know where that die came from, I got it from a Line of Crafts store. So this is how it looks. It comes with a shadow. I'm just using the script. So I take a piece of washi tape. Like I said, it's very easy. And you just tape off the portion that you don't want to get ink on. And you just tape it down like so. And I tape off this part. You get your ink pad and you ink the half of, the portion you want to get the embossing powder on. So I'm going to go with the glitter. So I'm going to switch papers. So I'm just going to take up the tape. And in case you got some on the die cut, you just tear off the tape. It's very easy. Like so. And then you just sprinkle on. You'll need a heat gun like this right here. So have that set aside. And you sprinkle on your glitter embossing powder. And it's going to stick to that like so. And that's pretty much all you do, but I'll share with you another technique that I wanted to do to see how that turned out. So it's really quick and you get that look. So then you just take the extra glitter, pour it back into the container, just like that. Save your tape for other, die cuts you might want to emboss. So I'm going to heat this up. And then you can watch the magic. And there is your partially embossed die cut. So next I want to share another technique. Let's see, do I need any more? so that's done. So that's how that one looks. So I want to do a different technique for my lavender piece. So I'm going to do the same process. Let me get my washi tape again. We are going to tape this off like we did before. Okay, we're not going to use the gold. We're going to use this color this time. I'm going to give it some embossing ink where I want the embossing ink. Okay. Lift this up again. Tear off the washi tape. Switch papers again. This time we're going to use this color. You can see that. Apologize if I was off camera. So it's like a frosted look. Okay, you're going to dump the extra back into the container. Okay, let's see. Where is my pick? Flying all over the place. Okay, so that is how this one looks right here. It's frosted. Now, what I'm going to do is tape this off. Okay. Bring back this right here, and we're going to emboss just what's left. So let's try it with the Versamark pad. Okay, let's try this again. think I got it a little bit better that time. Okay. Sometimes that pen just doesn't work. Okay. I don't want to heat it too much. Okay. Alright, so there is a different look with the top, the middle's not embossed, and then it has some tinsel embossed at the bottom. So I liked how that one turned out. Here is the black and gold. I hope you found this helpful. Take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.